Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another week here. I just wanted to start this off kind of giving you an update on the office because I'm really excited about it. And when it gets done, I'm gonna be, all the employees are gonna be more excited about it. I just wanna be able to come into something completely done. But as you can see, the walls are coming along well. They're putting up crown molding right now, so that just adds a touch to it. I'm gonna be in Puerto Rico this Thursday, Friday for a little vacation. So while I'm away, the floors, they're stripped all the way down. They're gonna get done. I'm actually gonna go pick those floors up now from my favorite floor guy about an hour away. As you can see, everything is crammed into Francis' office, but they'll move all this stuff around. No, there's really not much to show you other than we're working on it. My office is still a mess because everything is still being done. They're working on painting the last office, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna go pick up the flooring. I got a closing today. Mary LeBon is gonna be closing today, so that's done. And I think we have some other projects closing today as well too, but just come along with me, follow me for the rest of the day.
It's a Swiss med one. It's really heavy, really dense, grayish brown. Some boxes are bad on top, but most parts are good.
Yeah. I'm okay. The color is not important like it was last time.
Hey Francis, how you doing?
Because it's not in the flip.
Yeah.
Do we want something with a pad already on it?
That'd be better, man.
Don't have anything right now.
Nothing with no pad?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Almost
It's
everything
just
has changed over to being
no pad.
10 and 12 without the pads for some reason.
Lowe's trying to shut you down yet? I remember you told me that story. That guy was like, all right guys, so what you can see here is at a place like these is where you come to get cheaper material, cheaper than you're gonna get in Home Depot and Lowe's. And as you start to get into more flips, you're gonna wanna save money by doing these. And even if you're just wholesaling the property, it's good to find locations like these to tell your buyers that they can get things cheaper than they're paying at Lowe's, which should increase your price point because your buyer is buying material at a cheaper place. But this is a place I go to all the time in Mount Airy. It's worth the drive, and it's good stuff. So what I'm going to take you guys to, this is the house, the Steyer's house. I don't know if you remember, this is the house that we negotiated right here in this driveway. Matter of fact, show some footage from the past so fast.
I can't wait to see when y'all finish.
It's gonna be, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be a light gray brick color, a light gray color on the outside, probably black
What y'all
shutters.
gonna do about the windows? Y'all gonna leave the windows?
No, all new windows.
Oh, it's gonna be something, man.
$350 a pop.
This gonna be something, boy.
It's gonna be nice. And so this house, we're coming here to check on the rehab. We actually sold this to our flipping partner, so we're in on this project as well on the backside. So we made 16.5 up front, and then on the backside, we're partnered up on the rehab as well. So I want to take you guys inside to show you some of the updates. Which day did you go? What's up, brother? You don't play around, do you?
No. How are you, buddy?
This looks good, man.
The bracelets, right over there, and we'll make an entrance by the trees.
Yep, come in like that. What are you gonna do with all the other land?
Probably
Just leave it,
probably,
garden or something?
yeah, probably make another lot over there.
Oh, they want to do another house.
And probably sell it. Or make another house over there. Well, because it's too much. It's way too much. Well, it's not too much, but you know.
Yeah.
Some
You got a beautiful
The front yard, the foliage should be on the front. All right, so you're seeing the update on Steyer's. It's going crazy. I think this project should be done in 3 to 4 weeks. I'm gonna give you an update week by week, try to sprinkle a little bit in each vlog. We'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, As you wished, as I told you, you stayed all the way to the end. I want to make a special announcement. Today, right now at 9 o'clock, we just released the early bird tickets for the event October 12th through 14th in Charlotte, North Carolina. You do not want to miss this event. Watch this video, click on the link, go buy your tickets, and I'll see you guys in Charlotte.
Now is a good time to begin.
All it takes is one phone call, one massive action. You're one deal away from having the life you've always wanted. The tips and the tricks you're gonna learn, you have no option but to win. There is not gonna be a wholesaler in this country that won't learn something from this event. Everybody at this event is going after the exact same mission: solve problems and make money. It's going to be a room full of hustlers. The people that you're thinking, I can never be in the same room with them, they're going to be there. You're going to want to be there. I'm not bringing you top dollar speakers. I'm bringing you top dollar earners. These people are going to give you specific examples on how to exactly run your wholesaling business, how to go from $0 to $100,000 a month and scale beyond.
Hey Max, it's Brandy. I'm a wholesaler here in Nashville, Tennessee, and I have 3 deals under contract and have already made $71,000. Thank you, Max, for everything. Can't wait to see you in October.
I don't care if you haven't done a deal yet or you're doing 3 to 4 deals a month. You're going to learn everything you need to know about wholesaling, from starting to scaling.
Thank you for all of the advice, the kick in the butts that you've given me, just to push me to implement your strategies and your solution into my business, and earning me my first big check of $13,000. I'm psyched, I'm pumped, can't wait to get to the event in October, looking forward to it.
In this room alone, there's going to be 12 millionaires. And if that doesn't speak to why everybody needs to be here, then I don't know what will. If you want to make money and make a difference, impact and income, then this is the event for you. We are elite wholesalers, and this event is going to be a reminder that the life you want, the family you want, is going to be fueled by the business you build. You're just one deal away. I'm going to put you in a room full of millionaires, gurus, not gurus, people that actually take action. We're all going to be here. We are here for the same reason: to solve problems and make money.